you have loved ones crossed over to the other side, and you like to establish communication with them. Hi, I'm Mia, a software programmer, a gamer, consciousness explorer, and soul traveler. In this video, I'll show you 2 practical and straightforward ways you can establish communication with your loved ones from the other side, and 15 ways your loved ones may be contacting you. In this video, I don't refer to your loved ones in the past tense. The love you have for each other is eternal, so I call them loves. First, we have to realize who we truly are. Our original state is eternal, sovereign, creator beings. We incarnate here by plugging into this earthly experience, which is temporary. When this life game ends, we go back to our true form, and adventure continues. No one is ever lost. Someone, after they pass to the other side, may take a detour and work out whatever it is that they need to work out. Ultimately, everybody is fine. And on their journey of creation and exploration of God's creation, the connection you have with your soul family is never broken. They are just one thought and one intention away. Now, let me show you how we connect and communicate with the other side. The technique is as easy and as direct as you like it to be. First is for you to make heart-to-heart, soul-to-soul connection by feeling the love for them flowing through your heart to your loves, and they will receive this heart-to-heart connection. They will reply to you by sending their love to your heart, and you will get this warm and fuzzy feeling flowing through your heart center. Your heart is a portal, and this is where you and your loves can meet and interchange energy. Love is complete. It requires no language and no words necessary. Second way is you can think of them telepathically, or you can speak to them out loud. They hear you either way. Now you wait for their reply. You do so by not making any expectations as to how they reply to you, how they communicate back to you. Sometimes their method of contacting you can be subtle, but it is undeniable. And sometimes the contact can be a grand gesture. Now let's talk about the ways your loves may be contacting you and let you know that they're here with you. Now, number 1, turn lights and electronics on and off, or things start moving by themselves. We are spiritual electrical beings. We are energy. Your loves may be turning lights on and off and let you know that they're there with you. You can also see or hear the door close or open when you are in the kitchen. Things might be moving around. Plate might be sliding over a little bit over the table, and it is undeniable that someone non-physical moved it. Number 2, your loves may be contacting you through other people. Sometimes your loves may be giving a message to your friends, your family, or even strangers to tell them to tell it to you, such as they love you and letting you know that they're okay. Number 3, through animals. Your loves may be giving messages to you through animals, through your pets. You may be seeing birds standing at your windowsill, just looking in, looking at you. Or songbirds like cardinal sing you a song, even woodpecker pecking away. And butterflies are a common one as well. Number 4, through songs. When you're in your car, the car radio gets turned on, your favorite song starts playing, or your love's favorite song starts playing. You know that's your love sending you the message that they are okay, they're fine, and they are with you. Or when you go shopping, you hear the song, lyrics goes, wipe off your tears, don't cry, and be happy. These are the messages your love sent you. They want you to be happy. They want you to continue on, and they're cheering you on from the other side. Ultimately, they want you to know they're just fine. Number 5, through your dreams. You may see your loves in your dream. They might appear to you face to face in the dream, or they could be just by your side. You don't see them, but you know they're there. And they will be telling you they are just fine, continuing on with their lives and their adventure. No one ever dies. Life continues on. Number 6, through phone calls or text messages. People have reported receiving phone messages from their loved ones, wishing them happy birthday, or even receiving phone calls from their love's old phone number. There are reports people receiving text messages from their friend saying that they're okay, or tell them goodbye. Number 7, we can also receive messages from our thoughts in the head. Your loves can come into your thoughts. The messages can be in your own voice, your love's voice, or just a flash of thought. And oftentimes when you think of your loved ones, that is when your loves are with you. Number 8, your loves can merge with you. We are energetic beings. Your loves may merge with you. You may or may not notice that you start taking their familiar poses. Stand the way they would, touch the hair that they would, like making small gestures with their hands, or even the way you talk. This is an example that your loves merge with you energetically. Number 9, by touch. You might be feeling someone's touching your hair gently, or someone put their hands on your shoulder. That is when your love's letting you know that they're there with you. Number 10. When you're feeling fuzzy in your heart and you think of them, that is when they send you their loves. Number 11. Items might appear, disappear, or duplicate in your household. You might think you lost your love's favorite ring or necklace when traveling. You think you lost it forever, but it reappears in a place where it is so obvious for you to find, like your living room floor or kitchen counter, and it is impossible for anyone to justify how it reappears. Your loves can do that. Magic. Number 12. Sometimes when you feel extra sad or even start to cry, when you think about your loves, that is actually when your love's energy merge with yours. Your loves are expressing how much they love you. When the amount of immense love energy flowing through your heart, the physical reaction is likely flowing tears. People might feel overwhelmed with the love flowing and mistakenly thinks that they're very sad, and that's why they start crying. But it is actually your loves expressing their love to you. If our physical body and brain is not trained to decipher the energetic signal properly, we might interpret it as sadness. If we have a sadness overlay over our energetic field, the sadness is what we believe as the separation between ourselves and our loves. However, we're not separated from them energetically, only physically. Number 13, you may find feathers, pennies, dimes, heart-shaped items like stone and leaves, or you see a heart-shaped cloud in the sky. That is when your love's showing you that they're with you. Number 14, because of difference in frequency, you may see your loves in the form of shadows, lights, white misty figures, plasma orbs, or even crystalline figures with naked eyes, sometimes at the corner of your eyes, sometimes when you wake up in the middle of your sleep and still in the dreamy state. But it can also happen when you are wide awake. It all depends on how your loves choose to contact you, choose to show you that they're with you. Number 15, superimpose. This is my favorite one. Superimpose. Your loves can superimpose onto another person. You might see somebody walking by and looks exactly like your love. Or for example, your family member or your friend's face turn into your love. This could be crystal clear. You're not hallucinating. It is an instance of your love superimpose their energy, merge their energy field with your friend or your family or with the person who walked by, so you can see them clear as day. Do you have any personal experience that your love contact you from the other side? Please share your contact experience in the comment below. You can have contact with your loves continuously by including them in your daily life. You can do so by telling them you love them, you keep them in your heart, you sing their favorite song. You can tell them a joke, you can ask them questions, you can even share your coffee and delicious meals with them. Go on your days as if they're right beside you, because they are. The love connection between you and your loves is instantaneous and eternal. The other side is adjacent and parallel to here, occupying the same space with higher frequency. Our regular physical eyes see a limited bandwidth of the light spectrum. The bandwidth of the visible light our eyes see is less than 1% of the electromagnetic light spectrum. This also means there's more than 99% of the going-ons that's out there we don't see. As you keep training your awareness and senses, you begin to perceive more happenings around you. If this video is informative to you, if you enjoy this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you know this video can be helpful to someone, please share with them. We are multi-dimensional beings. So start living the multidimensional experiences. As more people are starting to expand their consciousness, we are closing the gap between our physical experience and the spiritual realm. And collectively, we're making it easier for everyone else to connect with their loves and friends from the other side. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.